Drinking this tea every morning will fight high cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and lower your creatinine levels fast. Best part, you can make it with the ingredients you have in your pantry right now. There are 3 drinks that are proven to lower your creatinine levels. All of these beverages produce extraordinary results in terms of improved kidney function, lowered blood sugar levels, and lowered blood pressure. As an added bonus, they're made from readily available ingredients you may already have in your pantry. Our first entry is a beverage with truly incredible healing properties. It can control your blood pressure better than anything else in the world, and it can even lower your creatinine levels. Our number 3 is garlic and ginger tea. If you love the healing benefits of garlic, but you cannot stand the taste, this tea is for you. Let's see how to make it. First ingredient is garlic, and you want to use fresh garlic for this recipe and to mince it about 5 minutes before starting to prepare the tea. I always recommend to add garlic to everyone's diet for its many kidney healing benefits. Researchers have confirmed the powerful kidney health boosting properties of garlic. It can lower your blood pressure by 11/5 millimeters of mercury. And when mixed with lemon, it will even be able to lower your cholesterol levels. This is all 100% proven by science. Garlic also boasts naturally antimicrobial properties, both antiviral and antibacterial, great for protecting you against diseases. Yes, if there's one food that's really going to repair your kidneys, it's garlic. Mince 4 cloves of fresh garlic 5 minutes before adding water in order to activate the creatinine lowering properties. Next ingredient, fresh ginger. We need a small piece, just about this size. This is around 3 or 4 grams. Ginger will make the taste of garlic less noticeable and will also protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Ginger fights high blood sugar levels, great for diabetics, and will help with nausea and indigestion, not to mention that it's a natural diuretic. Now we need 3 fresh lemons. Let's juice them very quickly. First, roll them over the counter firmly, then cut and squeeze them directly in our saucepan. Now guys, none of these ingredients are here by accident. Lemon is one of the most alkalizing food on earth, and it's also a powerful kidney detoxifier. Last ingredient, this one is optional, is cinnamon. But I really recommend you to add cinnamon if you have diabetes. This spice has the confirmed property of improving insulin sensitivity. You can see all the ingredients here in my slide here. And last, let's add some water and bring it to a slow boil. While it boils, let's talk about honey. Now, if you have diabetes, I don't recommend honey at all. Use stevia instead. But if you don't have diabetes and if you can source raw honey locally, go for it. Our tea is ready. Now, let cool it down, strain and serve. Drink it during the day to maximize the benefits. Refrigerating it will make it last up to 3 days. Time for our number 2. This is the most powerful anti-inflammatory beverage you can find. Golden milk. Now, the benefits of this drink are powerful. Uncontrolled inflammation is dangerous. When left untreated, prolonged chronic inflammation can cause joint pain, back and neck pain, various arthritis, headaches. Not to mention that chronic inflammation is going to make kidney disease progress faster. What to do to avoid this? Eating healthy, living clean can really help, but the beverage we are going to see now can give you results in a matter of days. How is this possible? Well, golden milk is made from some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices in the world: curcumin, ginger, and black pepper. And many people don't know this, but a study showed that consuming 500 milligrams of curcumin was as effective as taking 50 milligrams of a common arthritis medication at reducing inflammation. Incredible! Especially useful because while taking NSAIDs regularly causes great damage to the kidneys, turmeric will slowly help repair them while stopping the pain. Using turmeric as a spice and adding it to salads and veggies is great, but if you really want to benefit from turmeric, you need to eat it in smoothies or to drink it in golden milks. This is because turmeric doesn't work if you eat it by yourself. Curcumin is very poorly absorbed by the body. You need something that enhances the absorption of curcumin, such as piperine, for example. Let's make it now. We just need almond milk, 2 cups. I prefer almond milk because it's the most kidney-friendly milk alternative. Let's warm it up. Now in a cup, let's combine 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 pinch ground black pepper. Let's add the milk slowly and mix it. Ta-da! Done! Let's just add stevia to taste. Almost time for our number 1. Before that, a very important question. How to incorporate these healthy beverages in your diet? I'm not suggesting you to drink all of this every day. Changing your diet too dramatically could backfire. Not a risk worth taking. On the other hand, if you choose wisely which of these beverages you need most based on your needs and incorporate it gradually, it will really help you in the long run. The idea here is to let 1 or 2 of these drinks do the job of the medications you take every day. Statins, blood pressure pills. Yes, a better diet and lifestyle can really help you reducing your need for medications. Now, this is not an easy job, clearly, but with the help of a personal health journal, it's possible to achieve any goal. I've explained how to do this in this video up here. Time for our number 1 now. This is the most powerful drink you can find when it comes to repairing your kidneys. And not just that, this tasty smoothie can fight high cholesterol, fight anemia, improve blood circulation, and lower your creatinine levels fast. The Beet and Apple smoothie. Okay guys, this is a beetroot-based recipe that's going to drop your blood pressure and improve your circulation while protecting your heart and kidneys. Remember that the number 1 enemy of your kidney is a cardiovascular disease, hypertension. This is a lifestyle disease that is on a constant rise across old as well as young people too. The reason why we are so afraid of it is because it damages the nephrons, the filtering units of the kidney, day in and day out. Yet, this can be managed by the healthy and wholesome drinks we are seeing today, especially if you consume them regularly. If this seems too good to be true, a study published on a highly respected paper shows that drinking 2 cups of a mix of 3 parts beetroot and 1 part apple, just like what we are going to make, can make your blood pressure go down by up to 10/5 millimeters of mercury. Now, beetroot is a truly amazing superfood. Consuming beetroot appears to be especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Beets lower the risk of common diabetes complications, including nerve damage, eye damage, and also kidney damage. How to make this incredibly healthy smoothie? We need half green apple, possibly organic, washed and with the peel, a large beetroot or 2 small ones, half lemon. If it's organic, just wash it and put it in the blender with the peel. Let's add a couple of ice cubes. And our blood pressure lowering smoothie is ready! Beets are fairly high in potassium, about 250 milligrams per medium-sized beet. Keep that in mind if you need to limit potassium intake. Even if this doesn't mean this recipe cannot be part of a healthy renal diet. Okay guys, let me know if you will try these healthy recipes. A new video is coming next Tuesday and I really hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.